Big old trucks, railroads just a block away. Jets keep flying overhead, and right here I sit and stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trucks and the weight and diesel sound. I like to hear them engines rumble when the ship big is down. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like them jets, they take me back to San Francisco, back to Denver, mile high. Back down south to Galveston, beneath that Texas sky. Uptown to Chicago, or back home to Buckeye State. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety-clack. I like them jets, they leave them white lines in the sky. And I like them trucks that keep driving by. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety-clack. I like them jets, they leave them white lines in the sky. I like them trucks that keep driving by. Big old trucks, railroads just a block away. Jets keep flying overhead, and right here I sit and stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trucks and the weight and diesel sound. I like to hear them engines rumble when the ship big is down. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like them jets, they take me back to San Francisco, back to Denver, mile high. Back down south to Galveston, beneath that Texas sky. Uptown to Chicago, or back home to Buckeye State. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety-clack. I like them jets, they leave them white lines in the sky. And I like them trucks that keep driving by. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety-clack. I like them jets, they leave them white lines in the sky. I like them trucks that keep driving by. Big old trucks, railroads just a block away. Jets keep flying overhead, and right here I sit and stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trucks and the weight and diesel sound. I like to hear them engines rumble when the ship big is down. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like them jets, they
I said you need to drop it down the fence.
At Macy's.
I like them trucks.
This is a Macy's commercial now. Dan, what do you think about Macy's?
Yeah, Macy's. Him and there in hay bale.
I don't want to be on him and him.
No, right.
Other offers or discounts.
Exclusions apply. Again.
Big old trucks.
This
Railroad's
Travis,
just a block away.
rivet,
Jet ski flying over
full speed,
right here.
up and down this, what was that, mile and a half hill. Watch out for the A.T.V.s. Be ripping it. Sending her back. Let's do a practice run first, just to get it, like, so we know. Weight balance. My side's a little bit heavier than yours, so what happens? Jump. Get the A.T.V.s in it. Yeah. Back to San Francisco, back to I got south, down for the around the hay-bales. No donuts. That's how. Here we go. We're gonna send it again. Send it or That's awesome. Dude, just imagine we just keep ripping for miles. As fast as we go. Do it again. Send it. Go. Follow. They're going to stand up on record. We're the case camera now. Once we edit all this shit together, it's going to be great. I like them jets, and if them white lights in the sky. I like them trucks, drive by. Big old trucks. Railroads just leave like a gun. Just like no kid, right here, sitting, stay on the road. Sitting in the swing, not the way. People moving all around me, right here where I stay. I like them trucks, and the weight in diesel sound. I like to hear the engines rumble when the ship begins. I like them trains. Oh, what is that?
We roll on down the
Sort of line in the tree.
I like them jets. They take me back back to San Francisco, back to Denver, I got south down the street, back in the sky. Look down to Chicago, alright. All around me, right here where I stay. I like them trains. We roll on down the road. I like to hear the whistles blow. Let's go kickity back. I like them jets. They leave them white lights in the sky. I like them trucks. Keep driving by. I like them trains, and when they roll on down the track, I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety clack. I like them jets, and they them white lines in the sky. I like them trucks, drive by.
What's up for the A.T.V.s?
Big old trucks, railroads just a block away. Jet ski flying overhead.
Hey, I gotta pee. Let's stop.
Stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People like them trucks that keep driving by.
Say it again. Say it again. Never lift. Say it again.
I like them trains, and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear the whistle blow, hear the music of the music. I like them jets, and they been white lines in the sky. I like them trucks, drive by.
I've been here.
Big old trucks, railroads just a block away. Jets keep flying overhead, right here I sit and stay on my front porch. Sitting in the swing, rocking away. People moving all around me, right here where I stay. But I like them trucks,
we got a lot of weight, Bob.
and the way that he's
I've been up this hill before. It's hard. Gotta go. Gotta go, baby. Go, go, go. Keep going. Don't ever stop or we won't make it.
roll on down the track.
Keep going. There we go. Oh, Travis, wait. Travis, just a little bit. Oh, shit.
Back
down
to
this
San
thing.
Francisco, back to Denver, I got
down
south, down the spoon, down to the sky. Uptown to Chicago, or back home.
I've never seen Travis do shit like that.
People moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But
Come
I
on,
like
Travis.
them
You got,
trains.
we all got to back up. He's got to get it right.
Roll on down the track. I like
We're
to
going to.
hear the whistles blow.
If he makes it, we're going to go. If Dan makes it, we're going to go. We got this. This is when me and Travis was on the four-wheeler. I had to reach around him and hold the handlebars and, like, get her.
I like them trucks, keep driving
You
by.
got seatbelt, I don't. You don't have it on, so we're square. Dan, you got this? Let Dan do it. Looks like there's a ditch, so that's where Travis got stuck. Luckily, my weight's on this side. Let's
I
go
like
that
them
way a little
trains,
bit.
and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear the whistles blow.
Say it again.
I like them
Gotta get
jets,
it back. Gotta get it wrong. Back up.
white lines
You make it
in
up
the
that?
sky.
You have to use momentum.
I like them trucks,
You gotta use
driving
momentum.
by.
Is he stuck? Do you need help, man? Oh, he's off. He needs help. Go help me.
Big old
Oh, he does got
trucks, railroads
That's
just
what
a
I
block
said.
away.
Go get him, Red.
Jets keep flying overhead.
Red,
right
number
here,
3.
stay on my
Oh, he
front
turned
porch.
around even too.
Sitting in my swing, rocking away.
Look at that,
Moving all
That's
around me.
hilarious.
Right here's where I stay. But I like them trucks, and the way them diesel sound. I like to hear the wind drumming when you sit in the
pile
I
of
like them trains.
Scrap metal, buddy. Scrap metal. That's that tight. Like the fucking guys that didn't
I like
scrap that.
them jets. They take me back. Back to San Francisco, back to Denver, now. I got south, down the spoon.
Sharp turn, bud. Sharp turn.
Uptown to Chicago.
So what's your opinion on meth heads?
They're nice.
All around me, here's where I stay, but I like them trains. They roll on down the track. I like to hear
What do you think about that?
I think they're crazy junkies. I mean, I like people who have drugs, do drugs, and especially if they share. But meth heads don't share.
Nah, they take your
I like them
cigarettes.
trucks.
They do take your cigarettes, that's for sure. Look at that stuff. That's beautiful. That is beautiful right there. Stop, stop. Just for a second. Just let it soak it in.
I like them trains, and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear the
Smell that, man?
I do. Now I do. I didn't smell it the first time, but now I smell it, man.
And they've been white lines in the
Hearing I shaking in the cooler. That damn beamer's gonna be cold as fuck. Oh, look out! Look out! Ah! Put in the big gear, bud. Bib line forever, man.
Big old truck,
That was a good
railroad's
job.
just a block away. Jet ski flying overhead, right here, so stay on my front porch. Sitting in the
I'm gonna screw up your film. No, you're good, man.
All around me, right here's where I stay, but like in trucks. And the way it is the sound, I like to get from shit big is down. I like them train, and the way it roll on down the track. I like them jets, they take you back. Back to San Francisco, back to Denver, mile nine. I got south, down to there, Texas sky. Look down to Chicago, oh back home, look I stay. Big people moving all around me, right here's where I stay, but I like it.
Oh, you killed it. No, you got it.
When they roll on down the track, I like to hear the whistle go, hear the wheels go. I like it, jets, they leave them white lines in the sky.
Purple Mountain Majesty, baby. That's what it's about
I
right
like
there.
them trucks.
Purple Mountain Majesty.
And the rocket triplet, the bunker singing air.
That our flag over. Wrong song, but you get it. Star Spangled Banner, yet wave for the land and of the free and the hope of the brave. Play ball!
Go that way. No, you can't make it through when it's dry. Are you
Big old
trying it, Red?
truck.
That's gonna do it.
Railroad's just a block away. Just flying overhead, and right here, sitting, stay on my front porch. Sitting in the sun, rocking away.
Got the bus.
Moving all around me, right here's where I stay, but I like them trucks. And the weight in diesel sound, I like to hear them engines rumble.
You're on a video.
I like them trains, and the way they roll on down the track.
Brad's
I
gonna do
like
it.
them jets, they take you
Put the
back.
winch him out easy.
Back
you're
to
seeing
San
like that.
Francisco, back to Denver, mile high.
500 pounds later.
I got south to Galveston, beneath that Texas sky.
Send it, bud, send it.
Chicago, oh, back home, look I stay. Big people moving all around me, right here's where I stay, but I like them trains. And the way they roll on down the track, I like
Now
to
back up.
hear the whistle go, hear the wheels go, hear the track. I like them jets.
Back all the way up.
They leave them white lines in the sky. And I like them trucks, keep driving by.
Now hit send. Alright, just like an email, but once you get there, hit send. Send it. Use all your weight.
I like them trains, and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go ticking. I like them jets, and
You
they
made
leave
it,
white
ladies and
lines in the sky.
To the other side, all the way. It's only gonna get worse.
I like them
Oh, yeah,
trucks.
Here we go. You ready? Ready, send it.
Hang on, keep moving that log.
Wait, let me get my beer.
Yeah, move that if you can. Yeah, you got your fine on that other side.
I'll go over the log.
Hey man, you got this. Power Coors Light. Pink shirts and bibs.
Big old truck, railroad's just a block away. Jet ski flying overhead, and right here, sitting, stay on my front porch.
Yeah, I shake him over beers. Oh, he's going through with these. No problem.
Moving all around me, right here's where I
Wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen, we have failed.
And the weight in diesel
Now you just go buried.
I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track.
Hear that, ladies and gentlemen?
I like them jets.
Hey, get out of the way, Randy. Send it.
Back to San Francisco, back to Denver. Back down south to Galveston.
Now it's gonna fuck that half.
What's out the roosters?
What's out the all around me.
Uh-oh, there's the gun.
But I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear the wheels go clickety clack. I like them jets. They leave them white lines in the sky. I like them trucks. Keep driving by.
I don't know, Trav. Let's do a little commentary on this. I think he's going again.
Eat it up! Oh, don't go.
I like them trains.
You should have went up.
And the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear the wheels go. Hear the wheels go clickety clack. I like them jets. They leave them white lines in the sky.
That's what she said.
I like them trucks. Keep driving by.
I'm right here, buddy.
Big old
Damn.
trucks. Railroads just a block
Here you
away.
go.
Jets keep flying overhead, and right here I sit and stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trucks, and the
Easy,
way
bud,
they
easy.
sound. I like to hear them engines rumble when the ship is down. I like them trains, and the way they roll on down the
Just don't do no donuts.
I like them jets.
What?
They take you back.
Had it waiting on
Back
the
to
wind.
San Francisco, back to Denver, mile nine. Back down south to Galveston, beneath that Texas sky. Uptown to Chicago, or back
Don't do that.
look, I stay. People moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like it.
Hey, if he wasn't with me, I would have hit this a lot harder.
Hold on down the track. I like to hear the whistles go.
All right, pull me out,
Go clickety clack. I like them jets. They leave them white lines in the sky.
What I tell you about the fight jets,
I like
man?
them
It hurts my
trucks.
feelings.
Keep driving by.
Would you pull me the fuck out of here?
Trying to close this shit.
I like them trains.
Hurry up.
And the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles.
I'm about to back up.
I like them
What are you
jets.
talking about?
And leave them white lines in the
Travis.
sky.
Are you gonna pull me out or not?
I like them trucks. Keep driving by.
Going back up. The angle's
My
great.
best friend, bud.
Big old
Are
trucks.
your obliques working?
Railroads just
Oh,
a
yeah.
block away.
Oh, please.
Jets keep flying
Yeah,
overhead, and right here I sit and stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People keep moving
We're about to
all
do it.
around me. Right
I know.
here's where I stay, but I like them trucks and the weight in diesel.
fix that,
I
man.
like to hear them engines rumble.
Video.
Ship is down. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like them jets. They take you back to San Francisco,
Travis.
back to Denver, mile nine.
Travis.
Back down south to Galveston, beneath that Texas
Let's give it
sky.
real time, though.
Uptown to Chicago,
That's
or
the
back
angle of
home,
real
like
life.
I stay.
All right, pull her in, Fred.
trucks keep driving by.
Boy, truck kick in. Well, here we go. Hold your breath. Don't let me out.
I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear them whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety-clack. I like them jets and they been white lines in the sky.
We're out, buddy.
Trucks keep driving by.
Hey, will you give me a beer while you're out?
Big old trucks, railroads just a block away. Jets keep flying overhead, and right here I sit and stay on my front porch, sitting in my swing, rocking away. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trucks and the way them diesels sound. I like to hear them engines rumble when the ship big is down. I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like them jets, they take you back to San Francisco, back to Denver, mile mile. Back down south to Galveston, beneath that Texas sky. Uptown to Chicago, or back home to Buckeye State. People keep moving all around me, right here's where I stay. But I like them trains and the way they roll on down the track. I like to hear the whistles blow, hear the wheels go clickety-clack. I like them jets, they leave them white lines
Send 'em,
in the
kid.
sky. I like them trucks keep driving by.
As you probably should.
Well, I was trying to film the kids sending them down the hill, but you came up the hill, so there he goes. Move to hit my shot. Watch out, that Cadillac! Good job. Still going. I'm missing it.
I like them jets.
No.
They leave them white lines in
Still
the
going.
sky.
Oh, he wiped out the end. Not wiped
I
out,
like
caught
them
it.
trucks